Good day, everyone. My name is Ken Lawrence M. Manahan from BSCS 3B, major in Graphics and Visualization. Today, you will learn about the rules of communication in networking using Cisco, Pocket, Tracer. Common computer protocol rules and ensure they are in agreement includes message encoding, message formatting and encapsulation, message size, message timing, and lastly, message delivery options. In message encoding, let the user use this PC. The user opens the browser and gives the request to the eBay.com, and eBay.com responds back with the users needed. This computer converts the data into signals and then sends the signal on the transmission medium, which is the cable. But when the user wants to access eBay.com using a wireless medium, it converts the data into waves. And after the data is received by this router, it converts these waves into signals. In message formatting and encapsulation, both the sender and the receiver must mutually agree upon common format so that the communication becomes understandable. At the same time, some encapsulation is also done with data that is going to send. It is going to add few more information with the data that is the source information and the destination information. To be precise, the IP address are added to the data which is going to be sent. Let me set up the IP address of these devices. Always remember that every device in the network is identified by its IP address. If this computer wants to send some data, it is going to encapsulate the source IP address in the destination IP address. When any device receives that data, it knows from where data is coming and what is the destination. The next one is message timing. If the sender is very fast and the receiver is a slow receiver, so obviously, receiver cannot handle the flow, so there are chances for the data to get lost. To avoid this loss, due to high-speed sending flow, control has to be ensured by the protocol. This is in what speed the sender have to send. The information is given to the sender. This information will be provided to the sender by the receiver. It means if the server can handle 10 data packets at a time, that information will be sent to the sender. So the sender will start sending 10 packets at a time. After sending the data, the sender will wait for a certain period of time because the time it is waiting in order to receive an acknowledge. This acknowledgement is necessary in the network because the sender have to ensure that the data is received by the destination. The next one is message size. If we want to send a big file protocol, and this computer breaks this big file into smaller segments, and each segment is numbered sequentially, now this smaller segment can be transported over the network, and this numbering will also help us identify the missing data. After receiving all the smaller data, this receiver will resemble all the data. The last one is message delivery options. There are 3 delivery options: the unicast, multicast, and the broadcast. Suppose that this user wants to send exactly to one destination. For example, this PC13, one sender and one receiver. So this is unicast communication. Communication can also be multicast. It means, in this network, this computer is sending data packets to these 3 devices, but not all of the devices. Then this will come under multicast, because there is a sender and a group of receivers, but not all are receivers. The third one is broadcast. Broadcast means one sender and all are receivers.